Hello, my name is Kee Tze Pheng and my metric number is A166576, as you can see on the top left of this video. And so here I have my data. I have 10 rows of data for the first question, where we will find the numerical analysis. So first, it's mean, median, and standard deviation. And firstly, I would like to demonstrate how you can find mean in Google Sheets. Yes, I'm using Google Sheets, by the way. So first you have to type equals, and the formula for mean is average, so you type average. And yes, you can see at the bottom they have a lot of formulas, but you choose the second one, which is average. And you can actually key in the data manually, because the data is from C2 to C11, but it will be easy if you just drag it like this. And once you're done, you press enter, and there you have it, your mean. As for median, it's basically the same thing for other calculations, but the only difference is the formula. So the formula for median is medians, so equals median. There you have it, and you drag your data, just highlight it from C2 to C11. Yeah, press enter, and there you have it. So median, which is 23. As for standard deviation, the formula is STDEV. It's the first one. And do the same thing again. Drag it and enter. There you have it, your mean, median, and standard deviation. Okay, so I will show you how to make a histogram on Google Sheet. First, you will have to highlight the data you want to turn into a histogram. So I'll be using the score, and I'll highlight this, just drag it. And I'm using an iPad, so the layout might be different from the PC version, but more or less it's the same. So let's plus and insert chart. So as you can see, there's column chart, and they have other layouts too. So choose the column 1, and there you have it. Now you have a chart. You can just drag it and resize it if you want to. This is not exactly a histogram chart, so if you want to change it to from a column chart to histogram, just click edit, column chart, click on type, and the third one is the histogram chart. So my data might not be accurate because I made it randomly, so it might look a bit weird because it's empty here. Yeah, somewhere in the middle. And just click the tick and you'll have it. So if you have proper data, I think it should look like a proper histogram. For box plot, we have minimum, lower quartile, upper quartile, and maximum. So in order to find minimum, again you have to press equal and key in the formula, which is mean for minimum, and highlight the data that you want to calculate, and you press enter. So that's a minimum. As for lower quartile, you have to key in equal and type quartile. Again, drag it, and you have to put a comma and put number 1 because it's a lower quartile. So don't forget to put the 1 if you want to calculate your lower quartile, and press enter. There you have it. As for upper quartile, it's also the same as lower quartile. QU, and you drag it, but for the value after the comma, it's not 1 but 3. So if you put 3, that will be an upper quartile. so that 25 is the upper quartile. And for maximum, you have to type equal and max. Max means maximum. And you highlight your data, oops, and you press equals. So there you have it. That is your box plot. I'm going to make a stem and leaf plot. So as you can see, from A to J we have numbers in it, and we're gonna identify the stem first. So the stem is literally the first number of each value, so 12, 13, 15 and so on. So the range for the stem is 1 to 6, but as you can see, there's no number that starts with 4, like 41 or 42. We don't have that, but still you have to include 4 in it because that's how it works. And I already keyed it in here, and I'm just gonna highlight this and make a corner, like a line, to identify the stem and the leaf later on. So we're going right now we're going to key in the leaf, identify the leaf. So the leaf is okay, so you see, look at A and B, 12, 13, right? So 1, 2, and it will be 3 here. So these are the leaves for 1, 12, it's like 12, you see, 12 and 13, and then 15, so 5, and 16, so 6. We're gonna move on to 2, and we're gonna key in 1, 21, 24, so 4 here. Then we have 3, so 30. So 30, we're gonna put 0. You have to take, the leaf is literally 0. And then we have 36, so the leaf is 6. Next up is 4. We don't have a value that starts with 4, so we can just skip it. And the next one is 55. So stem is 5, leaf is also 5. And lastly, we have 61. Stem is 6 and the leaf is 1. So there you have it. This is your stem and leaf plot. Thank you.